In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to archive Jira projects. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up and log into your Jira instance, and then from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to view all spaces and see an overview of all your existing projects. Now from here you'll need to choose your specific project that you want to archive, and for this tutorial I'm just going to archive my software team right here. Once from here I'll need to click on it like so, and then from here, right up here on the spaces, you'll be able to see your name of your project, and right beside that you'll be able to see more actions. Once you click on that, you'll be able to click archive space, and then from here you'll simply need to click OK or archive, like so. As you can see, project successfully archived, and then I can go down to the archive section and see my team is right here. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!